Hi guys. Let's see how make command prompt transparent in Windows 10 computer. This lets you to see what's going on in the background. There are two easy ways to pull this off. First, you need to search command prompt and open it. Then only you need to do is press Ctrl key plus Shift key and then use the mouse scroll wheel to adjust the level of transparency. Or press Ctrl key plus Shift key and use the plus key and minus key to adjust the level of transparency. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.